How do you feel if you had to wear diapers all day and get a diaper rash on top of that? Yeah, that's how your baby feels. Diaper rash affects up to 35% of infants. There are many so-called solutions, but they are only temporary. Let's change that with NaturePro. NaturePro has come up with a solution that will cure diaper rashes within 2 days and prevent further rashes. How does it work? NaturePro's advanced organic skin cooling technology lets the skin system recover from abnormal skin temperature quickly. Just spraying. It's quite easy. It's all natural, with no chemicals, no paraben preservatives, and no side effects. Your baby will suffer less, and you and your baby will feel better and live happier. Thank you.